Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into a hot topic that's got everyone talking in South African entertainment circles, Mpumelelo Mselegu and his new Hyundai cars. Just 6 days ago, Mpumelelo posted on Instagram showing off two brand new Hyundai vehicles, including a shiny Hyundai Palisade purchased from a dealership in Bryanston, Johannesburg. This post sparked a lot of chatter online. Some people are celebrating this milestone, while others are questioning if it's a legit brand deal, a personal purchase, or just a clever marketing move. Sorry about that. Today, we're going to cover everything, what online fans say, and what critics are saying, and the pros and cons of this move, and ultimately whether this signals a new chapter for Mpumelelo is just another social media moment. So grab your snacks, let's get comfy, and let's get right into it. All right, let's start with the facts. On September 2025, Mpumelelo Mselegu posted a video and pictures from Hyundai dealership in Bryanston, Johannesburg, showing off not just one but two brand new Hyundai vehicles. One of these Hyundai vehicles, as you can see on the screen, is a Hyundai Palisade, a large and luxurious SUV that retails for over R1 million. Wow, I didn't know that, guys. What really caught people's attention was the caption he added that God did it again. Thank you, Hyundai. He's very excited about this. I mean, who wouldn't be excited, guys? Now, right off the bat, this caption is pretty telling. He's showing gratitude and seems like these cars are his personal purchases, not a sponsored gift or brand endorsement. There is no mention of a formal deal, no tagged official Hyundai sponsorship, nothing about business partnerships, just gratitude. But here's the thing, whenever someone shares luxurious cars online, people jump to conclusions. Is this a deal? Is this just flexing? Or does it represent a real step forward in his career? We'll look at all these angles today. For those who don't know, the Hyundai Palisade is a pretty impressive vehicle. It's a Hyundai's flagship SUV in South Africa, luxurious, spacious, and packed with tech features. And packed with tech features. Oh my god, guys, the way I speak these days. Anyway, the Palisade has a price tag that can reach upwards of 1.1 million depending on the variant, which means this is a serious investment for anyone who buys one. Now, Mpumelelo also bought a second-hand Hyundai model. I'll show you after this video. I'll take a screenshot of it. Although he hasn't revealed which one yet, but the fact that he bought two brand new cars at the same time is definitely a sign that he's doing something right financially. So, whether it's a personal milestone or an indicator of a growing business profile, owning a Palisade is a flex, but also a responsibility because of the costs involved, insurance, maintenance, and so on. So let's tackle the big question. Is this a Hyundai brand deal? So far, the evidence points to no. There is no official announcement from Hyundai, no confirmation from Mpumelelo's team about the sponsorship, and no visible branding on the cars suggesting a commercial partnership. If this were a deal, usually Hyundai or their marketing team will announce it, share press releases, or at least take on the post get tagged on the post, sorry. None of that has happened. This looks more like a personal purchase, possibly funded by Mpumelele's own earnings or family support, and honestly, that's nothing to be ashamed of. Buying luxury cars is a milestone for everyone, especially young entrepreneurs or public figures building a brand. Of course, it's possible this could be a start of a future partnership with Hyundai, but right now, it's purely speculation. Now, let's see how the fans reacted on social media. Social media exploded with mixed emotions, and I've pulled some of the comments to highlight the main vibes. The first one is, finally, Mpumelelo is doing his thing. I'm proud to see him making moves and investing in this future. The other one is, if this is a brand deal, why isn't Hyundai saying anything? Seems more like a personal flex. The other one, the most interesting was, not convinced. Is this his car though? Could be branded or it could be a brand deal, but not his. Yo, guys. This mix of support and skepticism is typical when a public figure shows off their luxury goods. Some fans similarly celebrate growth and success, and others stay cautious until official confirmation. What do you think? Do you believe this is his personal achievement, or are you still skeptical? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's break down some pros about Mpumelelo's Hyundai purchase. One, it's a financial milestone. Buying two new cars shows some level of financial success and confidence. And then the second one could be a personal brand boost. Cars, especially luxury SUVs, can boost personal image and open doors for future deals. The third reason for buying cars, it could be for social proof. Sharing this moment publicly builds social capital with fans and potential sponsors. And four, it could be an investment. You mean cars can be seen as assets, though depreciating ones. And investing in quality vehicles signals stability, and also for motivation. It's inspiring for many young people to see local figures making big purchases through hard work. Overall, this is a positive move for his image and career if managed well. But nothing is perfect. Here are some of the cons and risks to consider. The first one is financial pressure, where luxury vehicles have high costs, which are insurance, fuel, maintenance, and potential loan repayments. The second one is public skepticism. Without clear information, rumors can damage his reputation or cause misunderstanding. The third one is expectation versus reality. Owning luxury cars raises public expectations for wealth and lifestyle that may not align with actual earnings. The other one is social media backlash. The other disadvantage is that some people accuse him of showboating or using family connections unfairly. That's unfair, guys. People work hard. Doesn't mean that if your family is rich, they always do things for you. But um, human beings or other people are like that. And then the other disadvantage of buying cars is asset depreciation. Cars lose value, so this is not necessarily a strong financial investment in the long term. So while it's exciting, Mpumelelo has to manage perception and financial realities carefully. Looking forward again, this Hyundai purchase could mark a turning point for Mpumelelo. It shows he's building his own wealth. It might help attract sponsors and business partners, but it also sets a higher bar for what fans expect from him. How he follows up on the moment will be crucial. Does he share his business journey, security operations work, or new ventures? The cars are a symbol, but the real story will be the steps he takes after this. To wrap this up, Mpumelelo's new Hyundai cars are a significant development, whether it's a personal purchase or a future brand deal. It's a win for him. But as always, it's important to wait for the official confirmation before jumping to conclusion. What's your take? Is this a personal victory, or do you think that there's more to the story? Drop your thoughts below. I love reading your comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and subscribe for more updates on Mpumelelo and other entertainment news. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.